Hello, I'm Ruth and I'm in the learning space at Aberdeen Art Gallery, and today I'm joined by musician Arthur Coates.
And I'm Arthur, I'm a fiddler from Aberdeenshire, and today I'm going to give you a few traditional dance tunes and some foot percussion.
Fantastic! Can you kick us off with a warm-up tune please, Arthur?
Okay, well, let's have Le Ril Anticosti.
Fantastic, thanks Arthur. I think that's definitely got my feet in the mood for dancing. So the seated version of the Canadian barn dance goes like this. A 1, 2, 3, hop, a 1, 2, 3, hop. We take a step to the side, side together, side, reach out and clap, and come back the other way, side together, side. We're then, for the side steps, just going to push our hands side to the side to the side. You can shift your feet along as well. And then instead of galloping, we're just going to clap the hands round in a circle. So that's the full set for Canadian barn dance.
Okay, and for this one we're going to have a jig from a man called Calvin Volrath, and it's called Ivor Scully's. So now I'm going to demonstrate to you a little idea of how to do some basic foot percussion. So here we go. It's the basic step which we use for the accompaniment of 4/4 tunes is a 3-sound pattern that sounds like this when you speed it up. And you can hear it's on beats 3, 4 and 1 of the bar. So if we slow that down, we're gonna have 3 sounds, but we'll start out really basic. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 on the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 1 and the 3 are gonna be with the right foot, and the 2 and the 4 on the left foot. Just like that. And now what we're gonna just go with the 3, 4 and the 1. So it's gonna sound like this. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 3, gonna change that a little bit, and we're just gonna do with the toe on the 3-4-1. So it goes like this: 3-4-1, 3-4-1, 3-4-1, 3-4-1, 3-4-1. And now the most important part is, instead of with just the toe on the one beat, we're gonna do the whole foot like that. Imagine you try to kill a bug on the floor. You're not just gonna hit it with the heel or the toe, you do both like that. So here we go. 3-4-1, 3-4-1, 3-4-1, 3-4-1, 3-4-1, 3-4-1. And then once you've done like that, you can just speed it up. And now you can do the feet to accompany traditional reels at a kitchen party or something.
That's fantastic. Thanks for showing us that. And I believe it's called podorhythmy. Is that right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or we just call it the feet.
It's hard to say and quite hard to do as well. So wonderful. So after all of that hard work, we're going to have a nice waltz, I think.
Yeah, this one is a good waltz. It was written by a man called Andy DeJarlis from Winnipeg in Manitoba, Canada. He was a very popular fiddler in the Métis style, which is a mix of the French Canadian and the native, the First Nations. So this one was probably written sometime in the 50s or 60s, and it's called the Poor Girl's Waltz. Dance, the Poor Girl's Waltz. Thank you. So the next dance we're going to do is another Kaylee favourite, and it's the military two-step. So I'll remind you of the version that we're going to do today, which is a seated version of military two-step. So we're going to go heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, a 1, 2, 3, and then we're just going to bring our hands onto the knees. A heel toe, a 1, 2, 3, hands. Then we're going to bounce and kick, and this is the one where if you're dancing with a partner, you're trying to avoid kicking them. So we're going to bounce up onto the toes, bounce, and then kick one foot across, bounce and kick, and then we normally spin at this point, so we're just going to circle the hands round, and then there's galloping, so we're going to again take the hands up and over the other way this time, up over the head. So that's us. Okay, here we go from the second part of the Lancers quadrille.
And now
we're gonna
How are we
have
gonna finish?
some reels to finish off with, freestyle dancing. This is just like it would be in a kitchen party or something at the holidays or something when everyone's listening to the fiddler. Here we go.
That was a great way to finish this music and dance session. So thank you so much, Arthur, for sharing with us some of your dance tunes and some of your foot percussion today. It's been wonderful. And I hope that you've been able to join in at home as well. We look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.